Uh-huh. And watch this. See? Look it. Boom. Chilling. Like our wife. Well, on my day off. Chilling. You know what I mean? Real simple. Enjoy life. Just like that. It's not hard. Yeah, not that hard. Enjoy your time that you can. And that's what I do. You know. Yeah, man. Real simple. Enjoy life, baby. Enjoy life. I need to do the drone, but I was gonna get the FPV drone out right now, but I didn't. I need to do my chops though. Get my chops going. It's chop. As y'all see, this is Chop Uzi. Okay? I got 3 of these. Chop Uzis right here. I got Chop Suey. Then I got Chop Susie. 3 of these bad boys. And I love them. They tight.